you get free signals, you get market report and market analysis. All right. So if you click on the banner where deposit with benefit is fully written on, you'll be directed to where you can deposit into your account. All right. Now, if you deposit up to $10 in your account, you'll be qualified to join my premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit up to $15 in the account, you'll be qualified to join the premium group for 30 days. That's 1 month. And if you fund up to $200, you'll be qualified to join the premium group for 1 month. And then you also get the benefit of having a one-on-one session with me, okay? A live one-on-one private session where we'll be able to discuss about, how to become profitable in the Forex market. And I'll even share my own personal strategy, the personal strategy I use to, trade. I'll share them with you, right? So, okay, let's get into the activity of today. Let's see what is going on in the Forex market. So currently we are on XAUUSD. That's gold. So over the week, all right. So over the week, the since the beginning of this year, the market has been on uptrend. Okay, the market has been moving on uptrend. Right, we have been buying gold. So for those that sold, they are only selling for a short period of time. The market is actually on a buy trend. Okay. So as you can see here right now, it's very obvious that the market will continue to go up. All right. So all we need to do here is look for a perfect entry, look for a perfect zone where we can enter the market, and then ride the market together to the upside. Okay. So let me just quickly make the analysis and see if we can get a profitable entry from this instrument this morning. Okay. All right. So after this move, the market came down all the way to this area, to this level. Okay, the market came down to this level. Okay, so as you can see, um, the market has just finished preparing itself for a continuation. Okay, bullish continuation. But this is the higher time frame. This is 30 minutes time frame. So I'm not going to take a trade on gold. I'm not going to take a trade on gold on the 30 minutes time frame. And the reason is because gold is very volatile. Okay, gold is super volatile. So it's better we scalp, we look for a scalping opportunity on the gold instrument. So let's go to the 5 minutes time frame. Let's see if we can get, an easy entry, a fast entry All right. So as you can see right now, we have another level around this zone. All right. So what is happening here currently is we have a resistance zone around this area, and the resistance is what is keeping this market from moving up further. Okay. So for us to be able to take a buy trade here right now, we need the market to go above this level. Okay, this level of resistance. So once the market goes above it and closes above it, then we are going to place a buy trade using this level as our stop loss, because this is the recent low that was created. Okay, so anything that will make this market to come below this level, it means the market will continue to go down. All right. So, but I still need a confirmation from this market. I need this market to go above this level. Once the market goes above the level, then I'll have the confidence that the market will continue to go up. Okay, at least to this area. So we can use this point as our take profit point, of our take profit level. Okay, we can use that as our take profit. Yes. All right. So this is perfect. We just need the market to go above this level, you know, make a retest above it. So what I want to see here is I want to see something like this. The market going above this level, coming back here. Okay. And then that is when I would place a buy trade and use this level as my take profit. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, the resistance zone is affecting the market movement right now. That is why the market is failing to go above this level. So this is the 5 minutes time frame. But let's look at this from the 1 minute perspective. So on the 1 minute time frame, as you can see, the 1 minute. So as I've said earlier, the market still need to make a retracement to the downside before we can actually go into this market. Okay, we need proper confirmations. All right. So right now, the whole of this area can be our entry point. But this is for the 1 minute time frame. Okay. So the whole of that area can be our entry point. So, but I'll advise we just stay on the 5 minutes time frame and wait for the market to go above the level. So once the market goes above the level, and then we had a retest above the level, then we are going to place our buy trade. Okay. So since we have completed our analysis for XAU USD, I would suggest we just continue to make more analysis until we get a good entry instead of just dwelling on this, waiting for the opportunity to come up. Okay, so here we have BTC USDT. Here we have BTC USDT. Yeah. All right. So for BTC USDT, let's go down to the 15 minutes time frame. Let's see what is going on there. Okay, so for the 15 minutes time frame here, we have our support level. Let me just draw that. Let me just draw that out. Okay, so here we have our support level, and we have our resistance level. All right. Yeah. Okay, so the market has moved. The market has moved way past the entry point. Okay. So if we are to take this trade right now, the market is already here. Okay, the market is already here. And if we take the trade, so we need this market to come down to at least this level before we can actually place our trade here. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. So as you can see, the market has continued to move to the upside. Yeah. Okay, let's go check on XAU USD. We were waiting for. All right. So XAU USD is doing something here. You see, I said earlier, I said the market should come down to this level before we continue to buy. Before we buy, yeah. So I wanted the market to make a retest to this level. I said so. I explained this in two ways. I said it's either the market goes above this level or the market comes back down here to make a retest. And as you can see, the market actually came back down here to make a retest. So now that the retest is over, all right, guys, let me see if this is a good market to enter. Okay, so the market came down to this level to make the retest. All right, guys, let's place a buy on XAUSD. Okay, let's place a buy trade on XAUUSD. XAUUSD buy. Okay, so I bought from here. Yeah. All right, so this is our stop loss and this is our take profit. So if this market goes above, comes below this level, we would go off the market. All right. All right, so we are on this trade. Okay, so the market is still consolidating around the entry point. All right, the market is still consolidating around our entry point. All right, so if you took the trade immediately, I call the buy trade. You should be seeing profit by now. Okay, so the market is going into profit. So we took the trade together. So if I'm making profit, definitely you are making profit too. Okay, so when the market gets to this area, we are going to close partials. So in case you don't know what partial means, that means if you have multiple positions open, let's say you have maybe two, three positions, you can close two and leave one. Okay, if you have two, you can close one and leave one, or you can decide to close all. Right. So we're in profit, guys. Once the market goes a bit up, we are going to close partials and then leave the rest to keep running. All right. That's a nice move. That's a nice move, guys. Okay, so we are still holding. Okay, so this is where the market started pulling down. So when the market get to this point, we would close all of our trade. Okay. Okay, so if this current candle closes with this long bearish candle, we are going to close the trade. So we have 2 minutes and a few more seconds to the end of this current candle. All right. All right. Beautiful move. Beautiful move. Okay. Okay, guys, get ready to close partials. Okay. Let's close partial. Right. So the market is heading towards our take profit level. Okay. But we've closed some of the positions. So for me, I had 5 positions open and I closed 3, leaving the remaining 2 to keep running. Okay. So, but you can close all your positions if you want. If you're okay with and guys, if you're having just a position, I would advise you close now. Okay. If you have just a position open, please close your trade. Okay. Close your trade and wait for another entry opportunity. Yeah, beautiful move. The market is still going, right? Still going to our direction. Still going close to our target. Okay, it's heading towards our target. Okay, so about 5 pips more to our take profit level. 5 more pips to take profit level. Yeah. Okay, so if you still have a running trade, this is enough profit for me. So I'm going to close the rest of my positions because the market is moving very slow. It's moving slow, very slow. So I'm going to go off this trade and go look for another entry opportunity. But the market is just I think we have just, let's say, 2 to 3 pips to our take profit level. All right. So sometimes it's just best if you run away from the market. Okay. There's no rules that says you have to wait until the market hits your TP, right? So TP is to protect you in the market, but doesn't necessarily mean that you have to wait until your market hits TP. If you are making profit and you are good with the profit, you can actually run away from the market, secure your profit, and look for another entry opportunity. Okay, so we made profit from XAU USD. I think XAU USD was also our first trade that gave us profit yesterday. Okay, oh no, it's BTC USDT. All right, so now let's go back to our BTC USDT. Okay, so BTC USDT has started making a retracement. Let's see if the retracement would hold. Okay, so this is our entry point. This is the point where I want the market to get to. Yeah, but we are on the 5 minutes time frame and we have this long. If we take the trade from here, um, as I said earlier, BTC USDT is very volatile. Okay, so I prefer to take it from the point where I'll be having, where I'll be able to manage my stop loss properly. So taking the trade from here seems a bit too long for me because I'll have to risk more. Okay, so this is a scalping trade. If I'm going to risk at all, I don't want to risk more than $1. Okay, if I'm going to risk like too much, I don't want to risk more than $1. So if my entry point to my stop loss level is more than $1, I'm just going to leave the trade. Okay. So, but we still need the market to get to this point before, we can decide if the market would continue to go up, then we can place our buy trade, right? And since it's nowhere close to the entry point, I think we should just continue making analysis, right? So let's go to another pair. Okay, so here we have Ethereum USDT. So Ethereum has broken above this previous resistance level, and it made a good retest to the level. So right now, um, you know, we are looking for a buy opportunity. Okay, we should expect the market to continue to go up since the market has broken above the previous resistance level. All right. Okay, but Ethereum is also very volatile. So that is why we need to be careful. We need to be careful of our entry point to our take profit point. Sorry, our stop loss point. Okay. The crypto instruments are way volatile than forex instruments and even the XAUSD. Okay. So in case you are placing a trade on your own, you need to be very careful of your stop loss. Make sure you are using the right stop loss. Make sure your stop loss is not too far along from your entry point. Okay, because if the distance is too much, it's gonna if the market goes against you, it's gonna really affect your balance. Okay. In fact, what I do is if I have a balance below, let's say below $30, I don't even bother attempting the crypto instruments. Okay, I don't attempt the crypto instruments. So what I do is I focus majorly on the forex pairs. All right. So the forex pairs are where they are less volatile. Their movement is not as fast as the movement on gold and the crypto instruments. Okay. All right. So there's no opportunity on Ethereum for now. Even with this, we can't take this because the market, this is the 30-minute time frame, and if we are to take this trade right now, our stop loss will be too wide. Okay, the stop loss will be way too wide. Okay, and we don't want a stop loss that is going to give us a heart attack. I hope you guys understand. All right, so let's move on. Let's go to BNB USDT. All right, so we took this trade yesterday, but yeah, it went into loss, and the reason is because though it's a buying trade, but the market want to continue to go to the upside, and it failed to make a retest where I want the market to retest from. So, but right now the market seems to still want to continue its uptrend movement. So I'm going to share this on the BtcDana general group. Okay, I'm going to share this to the general group for everybody to participate. All right, so let me just copy out the entry point, the take profit, and the stop loss. Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to ask, and probably also try to predict. So looking at this omega mass,
Okay, so now let's head on to
it means
the
that
forex
if
instruments.
anyone is going to trade right now, okay, if one is going to trade right now on USD, it means you have to predict that price will go up.
All right, so here we have AUDJPY. Okay, so we have AUDJPY. So this was a previous analysis made on.
And this was on any of the production.
Okay,
So roughly, okay.
all right. So I'm giving this trade to my premium members now. If you become a premium member, this is um, the kind of things you get to enjoy. Okay, so Okay, so right now we have a trade running on GBP USD in our premium group. Okay, and as you can see, the market is already in profit. Guys, come and join me in the premium group. Let me teach you how to make money from the forex market. All you need to do is just fund your account on the live stream. Okay, so if you click on the banner where deposit with benefit is written on, yeah, that banner. So if you click on it, it will take you to where you can deposit. Okay, so if you deposit $10 will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks. That's 14 days. If you deposit up to $15 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. That's 30 days. If you deposit up to $200 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And then you also get to enjoy the benefit of having a one-on-one live session with me. Okay. So all you need to do is just go and fund your account. All right. So okay, um, we have about 6 minutes or so to the end of our session. Okay, we have about 6 minutes or so to the end of our session. Let's see if we can get. Let's see if we can still get an entry. Let's see if we can still get an entry before the end of our session. Okay, so this is Euro GBP, and on Euro GBP we have this market movement previously. So as you can see right now, the market is currently around this area, and the market has been on downtrend. Okay, so this looks good. Okay, okay. So I was actually gonna give this to you guys. All right, I was thinking of giving this to you guys, but you guys are not giving me the vibe. Okay, so I'm gonna share this with my premium members. If you want to get this, go and fund your account. Fund at least $10 in the live stream. Okay, fund at least $10 using the banner, the deposit with benefit banner. If you click on it, it will take you to where you can fund your account. Okay, so if you fund, you'll be eligible to join my premium group. All right.
So, um, sorry, if one, just like we said earlier, uh, if the trader is someone who does that mistake, such a trader might want to TPSF features. So in doing that, uh, we did recommended that such a trader will first of all comes here to the other study indicators to be able to use that that condition to fix their equity positions. That
All right. So let's continue with our analysis. Yeah.
yes.
All right. So, guys, it's already 11 a.m. and as you know, our session is scheduled for just an hour. So, this is where we're gonna end it for today, and we'll continue again tomorrow. And guys, we have a CPI news coming up by 12:30 p.m. Okay, so I'll be dropping the signal in the general group when the time is up. Okay, so please go and fund your account before the time. All right. Ever since we started trading the CPI, I don't think we've ever uh, I don't think we've ever lost any market. Okay. All right. So guys, that will be all for this morning. Enjoy the rest of your day and bye for now.